I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to come up with ideas that are relevant to what your current audience is watching. All right, follow along and let's get started. All right, so what you want to do is go down to your analytics. This is very, very simple. All right, under your analytics, this is going to show you what you're making, all your views, or what you're getting, all your popular content. But you want to know what people are looking for the most. So scroll down to your top content this period. Right, you got to do this from a desktop. You can't do it from your mobile. It's not going to work properly. So you go down to all these videos. If you hover over your video, it's going to say brainstorm video idea. This is going to come up with content specific to that video, which people are already watching. So right here, I've got, let's see, how many videos? The 10 videos. So I could start at the bottom, which only got 1,000 views. Click on brainstorm. The AI is going to give me some ideas and a rough script. And if it doesn't have anything, it will say nil and you start all over again. But this was a video about Prince. So it's Prince mic drop, analyzing the impact. Rehearsals gone wrong. Prince's what story or all right. Let's see. I'll see story. Oh, I'll see story. Yeah. So it'll give you some ideas here. And once you click on it, it'll give you a rough hook, okay? You can go over to the develop ideas and reach into it more, but if you go more, so hooks, it's gonna give you an intriguing question, a bold statement, or a behind the scenes sneak peek. So all you would do is copy this and throw it into your script. If you were doing AI content, you could copy it and put it into your character's voice. Very simple. You go, if this is what it'll give us. How many ideas? It gave us 5 on that one image here. It's very simple. So you scroll down, click brainstorm. I'll go to my number 1 here. This has got like 1 million views. The ultimate guide to renewing a marketplace listing. Why Facebook marketplace listings expire, best practices. So you can also, another tip you could do is just grab these to a video that's not performing, grab these video ideas. If you already did a follow-up to your good performing video, and just swipe these titles and try them on your other video or try a new thumbnail or whatnot. So do you want any more tips like this? Do you have any more questions? Put them down in the comments below. I'll do the best I can to come up with other things. If you want more elaborations or you have some video ideas yourself, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Check out our mailing list down below. See you guys in the next video.